All right, what's up, everyone? Hope everyone's having a great week so far. Can't wait to see you guys on Sunday. So a couple of you were interested in playing Super Bowl squares, but may not be familiar with how it works. So I just thought I'd make this quick video to explain the game, and hopefully it's going to make a lot more sense afterwards. I just brought this up because even if you're not a fan of football, I just think this game makes it a lot more exciting to watch the Super Bowl. And then it just gives everyone the chance to win some money as well. So, what could be better than that? Okay, so this is basically how it works. So we just start with a blank play sheet like this one right here. And I can definitely print another one and then bring this over to Jennifer's place on Sunday. So as you can see, there's a bunch of blank white squares here. So it's 10 by 10, so a total of 100 white squares. And before the Super Bowl even starts, each person can purchase as many white squares as they want. And we'd have to set the amount of each square beforehand. So, we could do $1 per square, we could do $2 per square. We could even get a little nutty and do $5 per square if you guys want to just make the pot bigger and have the chance to win more money. But to make it easy right now, let's just say we set the price at $1 per square. And let's just say I bought 5 squares. So I put $5 in the pot, and then I write my name in any of the 5 squares on the play sheet. So I'll go ahead and write my name here, here, 3, 4, and 5. All right. So I've written my name in the 5 squares because I purchased 5 squares for $5. There's really no strategy to which squares you pick because, as you'll see in a little bit, the numbers in these colored squares right here are going to be randomized. All right, so each person's going to have the chance to do the exact same thing, and there's really no limit to how many squares you can purchase. As long as you put the money in the pot, you can purchase as many as you want. So once everyone has purchased their squares and written their names down, we have to write the numbers 0 through 9 in these colored boxes right here. And the numbers do need to be randomized, so we could pull the numbers out of a hat or do something like that. And then we would assign the numbers at random. So let's just say that we pulled the numbers out of the hat for the Bengals first, and the numbers came out as 3, 9, 1, 4, 2, 6, 0, 5, 8, and 7. All right, so like I said, that's completely random. So we would do that for the Bengals side, and then we'd also do the exact same things for the Rams. So we'd throw all the numbers back in the hat, and then we'd pull them out at random again. So let's just say for the Rams, we pulled them out, and it was 7, 2, 9, 5, 8, 6, 1, 4, 0, and 3. All right. So like I said, this all happens before the Super Bowl even starts. So the way you win money is based on the score of each quarter. So, let's just say at the end of the first quarter, the score is Bengals 7 and Rams 3. Okay. So what we would do is we would look for the number 7 in the Bengals row, which is right here at the end. And then we would look for the number 3 on the Rams row, and it happens to be at the end as well. So 7 and 3, so we line it up with the square with those two numbers, which would be right here in this corner. So whoever wrote their name in this square right here would win money for that quarter. So let's just say that Chris was the one that wrote his name in this square. So Chris would win a portion of the pot for the first quarter. And the way that we can break down the winnings, most of the time it's, just pretty simple. You could just do like 20% of the pot for the first quarter, 20% of the pot for the second quarter, 20% of the pot for the third quarter, and then whoever gets the final score gets the remaining 40% of the pot. All right, so let's just say at the end of the second quarter, there's a double-digit score. So let's say at the end of the second quarter, it's Bengals. Let's just say they have 13 points now, and the Rams have 10 points. Okay, oops. So in that case, we only care about the second digit. So we would care about the number 3 for the Bengals and the number 0 for the Rams. So we would do the same thing for the end of the second quarter. So we would look for the Bengals, we'd look for the number 3, which is right here. And then we'd look for the for 0 for the Rams, which is right here. So whoever wrote their name in this square right here would win the winnings for the second quarter. So let's just say that Jennifer wrote her name in that square. So that means Jennifer would win 20% of the pot for the second quarter. And then we do the same thing for the third quarter and the same thing for the final score. So I hope that makes sense. Try to explain it as clearly as I could. If it doesn't, then I could definitely try to provide some more clarification in person on Sunday. So if you guys are down to play, just bring some cash, or, we could like Venmo one person and have them hold on to the pot while the game is going on. But yeah, so just let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. And don't forget to like and subscribe.